In this video, I'll show you how to save passwords in Microsoft Edge so you can sign in faster on your favorite websites. Start by opening Microsoft Edge and visiting a website where you need to log in. Enter your username and password as usual, then click Sign In. After you log in, look at the top right corner of the browser. You should see a prompt asking if you want to save the password. Click Save or Got It. Edge will securely store your login details and automatically fill them in the next time you visit that site. If you do not see the save prompt, you may need to turn on the feature. Click the three dots in the top right corner, select Settings, then go to Profiles and choose Passwords. Make sure the option labeled Offer to Save Passwords is turned on. Once enabled, Edge will prompt you to save passwords when you sign in to websites. You can also add a password manually. Go to Settings, then Profiles, and open Passwords. In the Saved Passwords section, click the Add button. Enter the website address, your username, and your password, then click Save. Edge will store the details and fill them automatically in the future. For best security, only save passwords on a device you trust. If multiple people use the same computer, create separate browser profiles so your saved passwords remain private. That's it. Sign in to a site and save when prompted, or manually add credentials in settings to manage your passwords in Microsoft Edge.